She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and take one of the famous deli sandwiches and turn it into one easy flavorful appetizer. We're going to go ahead and make a Reuben dip. So this dip is going to be served warm, and it's going to include all of the delicious flavors that you would find in a wonderful deli Reuben sandwich. So we have the corned beef, the sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, then we have some cream cheese, some sour cream, some Swiss cheese, and then we're going to eat all that up with some RYE chips. So with all of these ingredients combined, we're going to go ahead and make that flavorful appetizer that I'm sure you guys are going to love. So hopefully you are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the Reuben dip. I just went ahead and served it with some RYE chips. I used to not like those chips from the Gardettos, but they actually taste really good with this recipe here. This dip is fantastic guys, especially if you do love a good Reuben sandwich. We've got all those delicious flavors, the corned beef, which was homemade corned beef, then the Swiss cheese, the sauerkraut. You can actually taste that throughout the dip as well. Then we also had that homemade Thousand Island dressing, which incorporated everything together so well guys. Definitely give this one a try. It is super tasty. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love a good Reuben sandwich. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.